Many jobs are now preferring education less than 10th grade. Where is the Indian job market heading? SC questions Delhi government over hurried mid-year implementation of school fee regulation law. CBSE revises affiliation rules to make student counseling mandatory. Check details here. IIT Dharwad launches MTech CSE course with specializations in AI and ML, cybersecurity and cloud computing. KCET 2026 Kia revises registration and exam dates. Check new schedule here. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Pavitra reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: a 2025 Work India report reveals a striking shift in India's hiring patterns. Less than 10th has become the most in-demand qualification across job postings. Drawing from data on 9.9 lakh employers and over 10 crore workers, the report highlights how education is losing relevance as a hiring signal, especially in sectors like delivery, logistics, telecalling, and warehousing. With 75% of higher education institutions misaligned with industry needs, employers are prioritizing speed and immediate productivity over long-term potential. While jobs are spreading to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, they remain largely low skill and low mobility. The risk ahead is not unemployment, but a growing workforce trapped in jobs without progression or empowerment. The Supreme Court has questioned the Delhi government over the rushed mid-year enforcement of the Delhi School Education, Transparency in Fixation and Regulation of Fees Act 2025, warning it could cause administrative confusion and financial strain for private unaided schools. Hearing petitions by school associations, a bench of Justices P.S. Narasimha and Alok Aradhi said it supported the law's public welfare objective but raised concerns over its timing and retrospective application. The court noted that statutory deadlines for fee approval had already passed and hurried implementation could disrupt the ongoing academic year. While the Delhi High Court earlier declined to stay the act, the Supreme Court asked the government to reconsider retrospective fee fixation and clarify its approach. The Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, has revised its affiliation norms to make student counseling and wellness support mandatory in all affiliated schools. Approved by the CBSE governing body on 26 November 2025, the changes aim to strengthen students' mental health, emotional well-being, and career readiness. Under the updated rules, schools must appoint one counseling and wellness teacher for every 500 students, while smaller schools must ensure access to a qualified counselor through full-time hiring or shared arrangements. Counselors must hold relevant degrees in psychology, counseling, or social work, along with prescribed training. CBSE has also introduced a hub-and-spoke model to support clustered schools, marking a shift towards holistic and student-centric education. The Indian Institute of Information Technology, IIT, Dharwad, in collaboration with Team Lease EdTech, has launched an online MTech program in computer science and engineering with specializations in artificial intelligence and machine learning, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. Admissions for the program are currently open through the Institute's official website. The AI and ML track focuses on areas such as deep learning, computer vision, and natural language processing, while cybersecurity covers threat modeling, cryptography, governance, and resilient systems. The cloud computing specialization includes cloud architecture, DevOps, multi-cloud deployments, and cloud-native design. Designed for working professionals and engineering graduates, the course emphasizes applied, industry-relevant, and research-oriented learning. The Karnataka Examinations Authority, KIA, has revised the schedule for KCET 2026, extending the application deadline and removing previously announced exam dates. The KCET, UTCET 2026 application process began on 17 January 2026, and eligible candidates can now apply online at setonline.karnatak.gov.in until 17th February 2026. KIA has withdrawn the earlier exam dates from its website, advising candidates to wait for an updated schedule regarding the examination, admit card release, and results. KCET is a state-level entrance exam conducted once a year for admission to undergraduate courses in engineering, pharmacy, agriculture, and allied sciences across Karnataka. Candidates are urged to apply early and regularly check the official website for further updates.